Hi, in this video we're going to teach you how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Now, the surface area is not the volume. The volume is the space the whole object takes up. Okay, the surface area is the area of each face, like what I'm showing you now, and of course all the other faces and every other face added up. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to show you a simple method, an organized method that should really not get you into any bother. Okay, now we know in the rectangular prism that it has 6 faces, so we should come up with 6 areas. 6 areas that we have to add up. Here's the front face. We're going to find the area of the front face. We're going to find the area of the back face, the right side face, the left side face, and of course the bottom and the top. Okay? Now, we're going to start off finding the area of the front and the back. And I've thrown in the back as well because one thing you're going to notice is the back is exactly the same as the front. So it's got the same dimensions because it's all parallel. So it's got the same area. So really we only have to find the area of the front face and then multiply it by 2. Well, here goes. Here's the dimensions. 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters. To find the area of the front face, it's length times the width, okay? Or length times the height. It really doesn't matter as long as you're multiplying this side by this side. So that would be 10 times 5, which equals 50 square centimeters. So 50 square centimeters would be the area of the front face. Okay, so there's that side. I've just kind of taken the front face, so just to show you that this is a face, then this is 50 square centimeters. And the back face is exactly the same. Okay, it's also 50 square centimeters. And we multiply it by 2 because, well, there are 2 of them. So that gets us 100 square centimeters. So those 2 faces equals 100 square centimeters. Now, I'm going to put them on the left just to keep organized so I know what areas I have found. It's a good idea to quickly sketch, or doesn't matter, draw, whatever, and record it on the left hand side. I've also color coordinated this as well. The front and back's yellow and 2 front and back's the same. Both are 50 square centimeters, which equals 100 square centimeters. Now the 2 sides, okay? Again, we use the same formula, the area formula, okay, which is length times width, or width times height. In this case, it's 4 times 5. So the area of one of the side faces is 20 square centimeters. And we know the other side is exactly the same. So we times that by 2. And we'll get us the overall area of both the sides faces would be 40 square centimeters. Okay, and we'll record those up to the left here. So again, I know what I've done. It's all organized. Now I go to the bottom and the top. We know the dimensions, we know the length. Okay, we times it by 4 because we're still using that same formula. We're finding the area of this rectangle here, which is lying on the floor, lying on the ground. Okay, it's the base of this rectangular prism. And of course we're going to find the area of the top rectangle. So 10 times 4 equals 40 square centimeters. And of course we times it by 2, which gets us 80 square centimeters. Okay, so there we have it. There we calculated all our dimensions. Okay, we have the front and back, the two sides, and the bottom and the top. Now we have to add up all the answers that we came up with. We have to add up 100, 40, and 80. And that will get us the surface area of the whole rectangular prism of 220 square centimeters. Okay, now let's look exactly what we've done. We've taken this shape, or this rectangular prism, and we've worked out the area of each face of all the 6 faces. Okay, looked at this here, we've worked out the tops and the sides. Okay, and we've added them all up. Okay, so we come up with 220 square centimeters. Now if we want to look at it as a net, if this was made out of cardboard and I decided to break it up and put it flat on the table, it would look something like this. Okay, so I find out the area of all of the faces in this prism. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you understand it now. If you don't understand it, watch the video again. If I could create another video showing you another method, but let me know. Thank you for listening. Have a lovely day.